Take our hands onto the heart center, placing the left palm and then the right palm over, softening and closing your eyes. And then little by little, bring your breath into a 5-second inhalation and a 5-second exhalation. It might take a little bit to get into that rhythm if your breath is shorter than that. You can count quietly to yourself. Inhale, 2, 3, 4, 5. Exhale, 2, 3, 4, 5. Nice, gentle, slow, easy rhythm. In the space of your heart center, place the seed of appreciation. Just marveling at the world as it is in this time. Appreciating all the changes that are occurring. Appreciating the changes within yourself as you learn to adapt. As you learn to let go of resistance to change. Appreciating what you're learning to let go of that no longer serves you. Appreciating whatever newness is emerging within you. Appreciating your own creativity. Appreciating new ways of connection. Appreciating the mystery as it unfolds. Even appreciating the chaos and uncertainty that is occurring in some places as humanity grows and evolves. This is the eye of the needle moment, getting squeezed through that little hole, releasing the old, welcoming the new. Aligning your will to the higher will, to divine will, for the good of all beings, for the good of the planet. Appreciating humanity's newfound connection globally, newfound love and caring and concern on the global level. Appreciating all the loving kindness that people are extending to one another. My heart to yours, your heart to others, a circle of heart around the planet. Knowing that each day that we gather here for our yoga practice together. At the same time, people all around the world are meditating for peace, for love, for global community, justice, goodness, bringing down the light of heaven, shining it down here on earth. So I feel there's so much to appreciate in life right now, and I trust and hope and pray that you feel that same appreciation wherever you are, whatever you do. Feel free to stay longer and meditate. If you'd like to do a little restorative pose, go right ahead. If you'd like a longer Shavasana, go ahead and lay down and make yourself comfortable. Certainly, we have time to do all three. You can make your way back to a comfortable seat. Come upright. You can bring your hands to your heart. Noticing your whole being steeped in that sense of appreciation. Feeling replenished from your practices. Feeling whole again. Let's offer a simple Om. Deep breath in. Namaste. join me. Don't forget about the YouTube channel, Lynn Ann Patterson. There's some great meditations and some breath practices there. And if you go and listen to any of them, do leave me a comment so I know that you were there. I'll say hello back.